So right now we are at the Gulfarium. We're going to be swimming with dolphins, but Lindsay doesn't know that. So we're trying to keep it down because she doesn't know. So. Pause. I know a lot of you guys watch my videos and don't even subscribe. Look at that percentage. What are you doing? Subscribing is free. And if you subscribe from this video and comment that down below, I will read it and like your comment. Because guess what? Your girl reads every single one of her comments. And she's not lying. Go look at the comments. Did she read all of her comments? Yep, she's not lying. Go subscribe and comment that down below that you subscribed. Is owned by a couple of older women who are the sweetest people ever. I like it, but they are so nice.
Don't pay that for it. It's exclusively made for our store. It's 10, but it's right there, and that's it right there. That's the 15. And that's the secondary. If you look to the left, that's Jeff. He's football. If you look to the right, that's me.
Can you watch it?
Oh, yeah, that's cool.
Alright, watch this. I want to show you Mama. Give me a thumb.
They're really
All
pretty.
of them cost us $17. You buy this, them they sell $7.50. They buy from you. Get your butter, and I'm gonna show you. Get your butter.
Okay.
And you put this one. You need a little bit of copper. You fan them like you fan. Then they got all different colors there. You know, whatever you want, your mama don't care, right?
Mama.
Teach them.
I'm in Claire's because Lindsay can't go without going into Claire's whenever we come to the mall. Alright, so while we are down here, I'm getting my senior photos done like at the beach with this like green dress, and that is in an hour and a half. So I'm gonna do my makeup and my hair, and I'm gonna straighten Lindsay's hair because she's also taking photos with me. But yeah, so we're gonna meet this photographer at like 7 and then do a while their sunset, and then after that we're gonna go eat dinner. It's raining, so probably not gonna take pictures. And Lindsay got ready too. It's raining right now, so we're gonna take our own photos. So hopefully they turn out good, but that's where we're at. Okay, so since it was raining, the photographer couldn't come and take my photos, so we're rescheduled for tomorrow, but we still like walked around and took photos with our phones. Anyways, we're done with that, so now we're gonna go eat, and we're at, I don't know what it's called. Hold on, let me read this sign.
I'm serious.
Also, it smells like weed out here, or it smells like skunk. The devil's lettuce. We're eating at Fudd Puckers with a P. Fudd Puckers with a P. But anyways, this is cute lighting. We should take a photo out here.
Yeah.
Anyways, there's probably a long wait, so we'll see.
Where are you guys visiting from?
Okay, so the wait here is 2.5 hours. So we're just looking at the gift shop right now. We are not eating here because your girl's not waiting 2 hours for her food. I would rather wait like maybe like an hour, but like 2.5 hours. No, copyrighted music. But anyways, we're in the gift shop right now. But we're gonna go somewhere else and eat. So that's the update. Also, I want to show you guys this van. Hold on. This place has like vandalization, like everyone's like written all over the walls in here. Oh wow, people just looked at me. Okay, but like people have written all over the walls here, so I'm gonna try and get a video of that.
Yeah.
There's so much good art. Can you get my flip flop?
Oh, it feels so good. Did you like watching that, Dad?
No, it didn't bother me none. I just
And now you just save them like that. Oh, I didn't even do it. Oh my gosh. It looks like he has no teeth. Show me what I did. Look at me. That's crazy. It's like we switched. Isn't that weird? Like,
Wait.
Just, like, stay
let
still.
me do the